Michelle here from Straw-Bearie, and today we're going to make these cute little fluffy pencils. They're so fun to pet. They're great for kids of all ages, and I'm going to put them in my Operation Christmas Child shoe boxes. But you could definitely make these for your own kids, for a class, for a teacher. They're just so much fun to just pet and feel something soft, and I just love them. I have this scrap piece of fake fur that I originally bought when my kids were young and they went as thing 1 and thing 2 for costumes. And I'm just using what I have. So for the height of my pencils, I thought about 3 inches was pretty good, or about 2 inches actually, because then the fur sticks up about another inch. And so I just laid out my fur. This is about 2 inches down. So I'm going to cut at about 2 inches down, and I'm going to do it with a utility knife. So I'm trying to just cut through the top layer and not the fur below. Okay, and then to wrap them around a pencil, you only really need about 1 inch. So after I've cut it that direction, I'm going to cut it this way now. And like I said, I only need about 1 inch, but I think I should probably do more like 1.5 inches, just to be on the safe side. And so I'm going to cut again just the top layer of the backing with the utility knife. Then I have this piece of fluff. So you have your piece of fluff, and you want the fluff to be going up the pencil, so up to the eraser end. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little dab of hot glue right here on that metal part that holds the eraser, and I'm going to stick that on my fur. Okay, and then you can add a little more. You want to be very careful because it's very easy to burn yourself with this. So if you have a low temp glue gun, I would definitely recommend that. So I'm going to put another thing of glue here, and I'm going to fold this over so that it matches. And then up here at the top, we have kind of this gap. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a dot of glue and stick it kind of in the middle, and I'm going to fold this little flap, just kind of fluff it a little bit to get those hairs that did get cut off. I think it's adorable just like this, but you could decide to put some googly eyes on it. In this, I'm just trying to use up my stash. I've had so many googly eyes for so long that I never use, so it is time for me to put them to good use. So I'm going to just put a little drop of glue and another drop of glue right next to it. And I'm going to get my 2 googly eyes and put you there and put you there. And there you have it. So, so cute. Can y'all see that? Thank you so much for watching this pencil topper video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And until next time, toodles!